inside my heart tonight. Every dream somehow leads back to you. Your smile shining like a city light. Everything feels different when you're in view. I will cross every line, I will give you my time. But love needs two hearts beating true. This song is for you, only you. Every word is the truth I'm feeling. I would fight the whole world if you asked me to. But love shouldn't leave me kneeling. If your heart's unsure what to do, baby, I can't live, and maybe this song is for you. But if you're hesitating, I'm not waiting. Try to read the silence in your eyes, like a story you're afraid to tell. Love shouldn't be 1,000 goodbyes or a lonely wishing well. I would stay through the rain, through the joy and the pain, but only if you feel it too. This song is for you, only you. Every word is the truth I'm feeling. I would fight the whole world if you asked me to. But love shouldn't leave me kneeling. If your heart's unsure what to do, baby, I can't live, and maybe this song is for you. But if you're hesitating, I'm not waiting. I'm not waiting. Love should be fire, not a spark that fades. It's souls running, not a lonely chase. So tell me now before it's too late. Is this love or just a place you stay? This song was for you, one's for you. Every note carried my heart's meaning. But if you don't know what you wanna do, I won't stay here barely breathing. If your heart can't